So Designa Vagina is like, this is like my new fave. It's a very thick, slimy, ooey, gooey. This is more of an intense Garantula elixir. Dividing it into three and taking it. So if I had a big weekend coming up and Friday night was the big night, I would do this Thursday evening, Friday morning, Friday evening, or Thursday morning, Thursday evening, Friday morning, and be ready. That's how you can use this. Or in the case of an emergency, you can pretty much drink, a third of it. Don't do more than half, 30 minutes prior to intercourse. Now, the Designa Vagina, because this one is a bit stronger than this one. This one is like, it's very spicy too. You can give this to your mate. You can put this in his yogurt. You can put this in ice cream. I've had ladies mix this in their tea. And you can add a little milk to it. This gives them like an instant erection in like 10 minutes. If they have any intimate issues, any erection dysfunction, this can be his best friend, and he doesn't even have to know he's taking it. It's all natural. It'll be out of his system, I promise. But this one is like really, really potent. It does great things for your menstrual irregularities, gets you in a mood, so it's a libido booster, helps you with vaginal secretions. It has like a list. I literally listed on the website all the things and properties that this little fruit does. And it's the basis of the fruit is what it is. So it's just a fruit elixir, but it does amazing, amazing things. I used to drink them both. And then sometimes I usually just grab for this one because it's stronger.